how to earn free money on PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free money on PayPal. So let's get into it. Now, everyone loves money, and what better way to earn money than via PayPal, because PayPal is such a easy to use platform. It is such a safe platform, and when you know that a platform is going to pay you via PayPal, you are certain of your payments. You're not going to be worried about getting scammed or doing work that you're not going to be paid with. So there is a simple way, which is basically almost like doing no work whatsoever, to earn money for PayPal. So you're going to get PayPal money, it's real money. You don't have to worry about, redeemable coupons or any of those issues, and you're going to be making a lot of money. So what are these platforms? There are two platforms that I'm going to be talking about. First off is shrinkearn.com, and the other platform is very simple and similar to this one, but first we're going to talk about Shrinkearn. So Shrinkearn is a platform where you can shorten URLs and enter money. So whenever you shorten a URL and someone clicks on the shortened URL that you have created, then you are going to be earning PayPal money, and that is it. That is how simple and easy it is. And then you can take a look at their how it works section. So once you have done that, you can choose a alias as well, and then you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram. So you can see over here that they also have different tutorials on how to share your links on Instagram or Facebook without getting flagged or anything like that. But we're going to take a look at how to get started first. So first off, you're just going to click on sign up on the top right over here, and it is easy and free to sign up. So you just have to enter a username. So you're just going to enter a username, email address, and the password, and then you're going to verify, you're going to agree, and click on register over here. And we're just going to do this. And now we're just going to click on register over here. And once you click on register, your account has been created, so you can log in with the email address and the password that you just set. And once you have done that, this is how simple and easy it is to sign up. Your sign up process is completed. This is going to be your dashboard. On your left, you have your manage links, hidden links. Then you have your cash withdrawal system. So you're just going to link your PayPal account over here, and then you can see your available balance, pending withdrawn, and total withdrawn. Then you have your tools section where you have quick links, mass shrinker, full page script, developers API, and book marklet. Then you have your referrals as well. So not only this, you can also earn PayPal money with their referrals. So if you refer someone to this platform, you're going to be earning 20% of their earnings for life. So not only can you actively earn income by shortening links and earning PayPal money, but you're also going to be paid with these referrals as well. And this is going to be absolutely passive, because you're just going to share this referral link and you're going to be earning money until the person, whoever you referred, is working on their platform. So this is going to be a free way for you to earn money while you are sitting at home. Then you also have your invoices, you have your profile settings, and over here you're just going to enter your withdrawal info, and you can take a look at the different withdrawal methods that they have. You can see PayPal is one of their basic methods as well, and you have the minimum withdrawal amount. So for PayPal, you need to have at least $10 over here. So you need to earn at least $10 to begin your withdrawal process, or the minimum amount to withdraw is going to be $10. You cannot withdraw like $5, because that would be too small of an amount, and obviously with transaction fees and all that, it is going to be unreasonable to withdraw such a small amount as well. So you have a $1 or a 10% fee that you can choose from on PayPal as well. And you're just going to enter your withdrawal information over here. You're just going to enter the withdrawal account that you have, your email address, and then you're going to be able to withdraw money. So how do you get started with shortening your links? Well, if you take a look at your top left over here, you have new shorten link. You're just going to click on over here. Then you're just going to enter the URL. You can use a alias over here, and then you can also choose a expiration date, and then you're just going to click on shorten. Now, once you have done that, your shortened link has been created. So this is the shortened link. You're going to click on copy, and now you can begin sharing this on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, or any other platform. And I would recommend that you share these on multiple different social media platforms like Pinterest. If we go on to Pinterest over here, what you can do is that you can create different pins, different boards. So you can create like a simple mood board of any kind of mood board, and then you can copy the link of that mood board, add it to your shrinkearn.com URL, and then share it on other social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok as well. And that's how simple and easy it's going to be for you to earn money with this platform. And you have simple referral earnings, total earnings. You can see your average CPM and your overall CPM money. So depending on where you get your viewership from, you're going to be earning money accordingly. And on your basic dashboard and your statistics, you're going to be able to see a graph on how much money you earned, how many views you got on your links. You're going to be seeing your link earnings, daily CPM, and referral earnings for that day as well. Now, this is just one platform for you to earn free money with PayPal. If you want to earn even more money on PayPal, if you want to learn different ways to earn more money, then you can also go on to another platform called AdFocus. So it is adfoc.us, AdFocus, that is their actual name. It is pretty much the same thing. You're just going to click on sign up and then you're going to shorten URLs and then you can get paid via PayPal. And you can earn up to $22 or $23 per 1,000 visits of your shortened URLs, and your payouts need to be above $10 to be able to withdraw once more. So if you have earnings like $5, only earning $5, then you're not going to be able to withdraw it. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. So you're just going to click on sign up over here. It is free to sign up. And once you have filled out all of this basic information, you're just going to click on join now over here. And once you have joined in, you're just going to log in from here. And using these platforms is absolutely free. So you can see I have logged in over here. And if I scroll down, I will have my overall link. I have my ad focus link over here. I got 2 views and I earned 0.00990 cents because that was just like a sample link that I created previously. But you can also see your deleted links, your total link earnings, and the earnings for a singular link. And you can see that even with 2 views, you're going to be earning money and they're going to provide you with the statistics of how much money you're earning. So these platforms are really vigilant and will really help you keep a track of all of the earnings that you have made, all of the views and clicks that you've gotten. So you can just click on your single link over here, paste your link over here and click on shrink. And then you can have your shortened URL. This is the shortened URL that I have present over here. Now I can click on it and then I can just copy it over here. And then just once I have copied it, I can start using this link to promote it on social media, to use this link as a social media getaway on Pinterest or Facebook or whatever platform I'm sharing this link on. And you can also click on multiple links over here as well and add multiple links and shorten them in one go instead of having to, manually enter each individual link. That is also just going to be more helpful and more convenient for someone that is working in bulk. So you can not only see that, but you also have referrals on AdFocus as well. So you can earn money over here as well, and you will be earning 20% of your users or of your friends' earnings for your entire lifetime. So this is another way where you're going to be making passive income without having to do anything whatsoever. And then you can also see your payout rate. So the first visit, second visit, how much money you're going to be getting, depending on which country people are clicking your links from. So some countries have higher CPMs, some countries have lower CPMs. You can take a look at all of your payment histories, and by the 7th of every month, your previous earnings for the month will be added over here. And for the minimum payout, you need to have at least $10. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to earn money on PayPal for free using these 2 amazing websites. If you still have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.